When we talk about fleet vehicles, the first things that probably come to mind are tractor trailers, delivery trucks, and rental cars. But the reality is that there are a wide variety and different types of high usage and work vehicles on the road today. It could be a pickup truck used by a contractor or municipal service department, a hybrid sedan used by a large government agency or corporation, or that crossover used by an Uber or Lyft driver to give you a ride to the airport. Regardless of the application, work vehicles are subjected to much more wear and tear and require more frequent inspection and aggressive maintenance schedules compared to the typical personal vehicle. For example, most drivers typically will change their brake pads and rotors every 2 to 4 years. However, full-time rideshare drivers say they might need to replace their brakes every 6 months. The same goes for suspension, steering, and wheel end components such as control arms, ball joints, stabilizer links, tie rod ends, and wheel bearings. With work vehicles putting in long hours day in and day out, sometimes in extreme conditions, these components are going to degrade exponentially faster than they would on your typical passenger vehicle. When you're recommending replacement parts for a work vehicle, keep in mind that downtime is the enemy. The longer a work truck, car, or SUV is out of service, the longer that vehicle isn't in the field making money. That's why it's critical to recommend replacement components that are engineered to maximize on-the-road uptime for these vehicle types. Some of your customers might presume that the best solution for a hardworking fleet vehicle is an OE-style replacement part because they still buy into the perception that the OE design is the gold standard. It's important to highlight that the working vehicle coming into the shop for suspension repair isn't in the same condition as when it rolled off the lot brand new. These vehicles need a better than original solution. Replacement parts that take into consideration the challenges these vehicles face day to day and are engineered to address common failure points in the OE-style parts that come up when they're put through their paces in the real world. Mevotech's TTX, CTX MS 501241 and CTX MS 501242 front upper control arms for the 2015 through 2021 Chevy Colorado and GMC Canyon trucks are a great example. To save part weight and minimize production cost, the OE front upper control arm has a stamped steel design with a plate welded for some reinforcement. And like other OE-style aftermarket front upper control arms, the original part also utilizes a non-greasable plastic bearing. This type of bearing is sensitive to high heat and high loading forces, conditions that a working pickup truck encounters on a daily basis. Mevotech's front upper control arms are designed for extended service life on these GM pickup trucks. They feature a patented, greasable, self-lubricating, sintered bearing that's engineered to excel in high heat and high load conditions. The patented locking dust boot seals out road contaminants, while the fully forged one-piece control arm body replaces the OE-style stamped design for enhanced strength and resistance to flexing. The entire assembly and hardware are coated in Repeltech anti-corrosion formula for protection. Mevotech's TXK 80252 front stabilizer link boasts some of these same improvements over the original part, including the same patented sintered bearing, known as the dynamic control bearing, for better durability, and thicker hex forging for increased part strength. This front stabilizer link, which covers the 2019 through 2021 Ford Ranger and other Ford models, including the Police Responder, also features a multi-lipped Integra boot that's integrated to the housing for improved sealing and the Repeltech anti-corrosion coating. You'll also find the patented dynamic control bearing, multi-lipped Integra boot, and Repeltech anti-corrosion coating on the TX MS 50553 front lower ball joint. Applications for this TTX ball joint include the 2011 through 2019 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD and 3500 HD, well-known working trucks. This ball joint also is constructed with a larger and thicker mounting flange for easier installation and increased overall part strength, and Mevotech has added knurling to the housing for extra bite during press-in. These are just some examples of how Mevotech's TTX line of suspension, steering, and wheel end replacement parts keep working vehicles working. You can confidently recommend these parts for work, fleet, and high-usage vehicles because of their patented technology and engineered upgrades that deliver extended service life and maximum vehicle uptime. Plus, with their labor-saver hardware and installation aids included in the box, your customers will benefit from faster, easier installation and the knowledge that they have everything they need to complete the job the first time. Thanks for watching.